Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to send a pin with a text message to a group on Pinterest using your PC, especially with the new update that makes sharing even easier and more interactive. First, open Pinterest in your web browser and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on your homepage, look to the left side menu. You'll see several options there, and one of them is Messages. Click on Messages to open your inbox where all your conversations and group chats live. Next, find the group you want to send a pin to. Click on that group to open the chat window. This is where you can share ideas, pins, and messages with everyone in the group. Now, look for the plus icon inside the chat window. It's usually located near the message box where you type. Click on that plus icon, and a menu will pop up with different sharing options. Choose the option that says Pin. This will allow you to select a pin from your boards or search for a new one to share. Once you've picked the perfect pin, it will appear in the message box. Here's your chance to add some context or a personal touch. Type the message you want to accompany the pin. Whether it's a quick note, a question, or some inspiration, your text will help your group members understand why you're sharing this pin. Finally, hit the send button, and your pin along with your message will be delivered to the group chat instantly. Everyone in the group will be able to see the pin and your message, making collaboration and sharing ideas more fun and efficient. And that's it. Sending a pin with a text message to a group on Pinterest using your PC is straightforward with the new update. It's a great way to keep your group engaged and share inspiration all in one place. Thanks for watching, and happy pinning!